Welcome to this complete JavaScript roadmap for 2025. In this video, you will learn every topic you need to become a full JavaScript developer. Whether you are a beginner or already learning JavaScript, this roadmap will guide you from fundamentals to advanced concepts, along with projects, best practices, and interview skills. Let's begin. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. It powers almost every website you use today: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, and thousands more. JavaScript allows you to create interactive pages, real-time apps, games, animations, APIs, and complete full-stack applications. Before learning JavaScript, understand that it is the most demanded language for front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. This is the complete roadmap for this video. We will cover every topic step by step. The first step is learning JavaScript basics. Understand how variables work, especially the difference between var, let, and constant. Learn all data types, such as string, number, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, and big int. Practice operators and string methods. If you understand these basics well, the rest of JavaScript becomes much easier. Control flow decides how your program runs. You must master if-else, switch statements, and all types of loops. Loops are extremely important in real projects, so make sure you practice them properly. Functions are the backbone of JavaScript. Learn how to create functions, return values, pass parameters, use arrow functions, and understand callbacks. Callbacks help you write asynchronous code. This becomes useful later when you learn promises and async await. Arrays are used everywhere in JavaScript. You must learn all important array methods like map, filter, and reduce. These methods make your code shorter, cleaner, and more powerful. Objects are used to store data in key-value format. Learn how to create objects, access values, use this keyword, and apply destructuring and optional chaining. These concepts are essential in modern JavaScript and frameworks. DOM stands for Document Object Model, and it allows JavaScript to interact with your web page. You must learn how to select elements, change their content, modify CSS, handle click events, submit forms, and dynamically create elements like divs, buttons, or input fields. DOM is what brings your website to life. BOM, or Browser Object Model, includes browser-related functionalities such as timers and storage. You must learn how to use local storage for saving data in the browser. In 2015, JavaScript got a major update called ES6. It introduced modern features like let and const, template strings, arrow functions, modules, and destructuring. Every developer must learn ES6 because all modern projects and frameworks use these features. Asynchronous JavaScript is one of the most important topics. It helps you fetch data from APIs, load content, handle events, and perform tasks without blocking your website. Learn how promises work, understand async and await, and practice using the Fetch API. Also, study the event loop. It explains how JavaScript handles asynchronous tasks. Next, learn OOP in JavaScript. This includes classes, constructors, inheritance, and much more. Most large applications use OOP-based structure. Modules let you split your code into reusable files. Learn how to use import and export to manage large projects. To work as a JavaScript developer, you must learn tools like npm, Node.js, Git, and VS Code. These tools help you write, manage, and deploy applications. The best way to learn JavaScript is by building projects. Start with simple apps like a calculator and move on to API projects and advanced dashboards. For interviews, focus on closures, hoisting, promises, event loop, and data structures. These are commonly asked topics in JavaScript interviews. This is the full JavaScript roadmap. Start your learning journey today and follow for more tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching.